In the creation of a table and in clauses like select, we can use built-in functions and operators, like now, which would automatically fill in the current timestamp. For example, let's create a new orders to table in our tutorial database. So what we have here is we have creation date. Now, if we want this to automatically insert the current timestamp, we can add default current timestamp, which is also a synonym of now. Now, what if we want the creation date to update when we update the order? We would then add on update current timestamp. What we're going to do is then create this table. Now let's try it out. First, let's put me back into the customer table. And then if we select, we'll see I'm back in the customer table. So what we're going to do now is we're going to insert into the new order table. So we're going to do insert into orders to, and we're going to insert, let's see what we need to insert. We just need, well, order ID, but that's automatically incremented. So we can just do order ID, total, and then the customer ID since it is a foreign key. So we'll do total due, and customer ID. And we'll insert the values. Total due, which will be $3.13.09. And then customer ID is 2. And then we'll want to select star from orders to so we can see that it was added. Now when we hit the lightning bolt, we will see that the order was created and that the creation date has been inserted. So now if we do an update to the table, so if we update orders to and we set the status equal to paid, where order ID equals 1. So currently the timestamp says 4:34:25. So if we hit the lightning bolt and do a select, we get 4:36:35. So it has been updated on update. Now, what if we wanted to do something a little bit more sophisticated, like select count of the number of orders in a table? Let's do that by looking at our H+ database. So we have a select order ID. What we can do here instead is we can do a count of the orders from orders, and we can do it where the total is over 300 and the status isn't past due or due. So if we hit the lightning bolt, we get a count of those orders. So there are 7 of them. We can also do some more sophisticated ones, like how about we sum total due from the orders table where the total is over 300 and the status is in past due or due. If we hit the lightning bolt, we get $2,500. As you can see, operators and functions allow us to do some complex operations when inserting, updating, or selecting rows in a table.